Zinc drops, testosterone goes down, protein cannot reach your muscles, and your growth stops. As your growth stops, you are trying harder in the gym, you'll sweat more, and you'll lift even more zinc. Today, we are talking about the secret loop. We will look at the connection between zinc, testosterone, and muscle growth in the simplest way. Let's get straight into it. When we say muscle growth, we mean repairing the muscles we damage in the gym. To make them bigger and stronger, our body needs three things: protein, zinc, and testosterone. Here, testosterone is the boss. This hormone gives the main signal to carry protein to your muscle cells and start the repair. And zinc is foundation. It helps your body produce testosterone. It also changes the protein you eat into new muscle tissue. Without zinc, this chain is broken. In short, your body completely depends on zinc to produce testosterone and to build muscle from protein. Men who exercise regularly lose zinc much faster than people who don't exercise. Think about it. The harder you train, the more you sweat. The more you sweat, the more zinc you lose. So, the sweat you lose to build muscle is actually throwing away the materials you need to build that muscle. This is a big problem, and most lifters don't know this. So, how do you feel if your zinc is low? If you have a zinc deficiency, you will feel this exact symptom in the gym and in the daily life. First, your muscle takes too long to recover, and you feel heavy soreness. Normal muscle recovery takes 24 to 48 hours. If your recovery takes longer than this, your hidden problem is probably low zinc. Also finding it harder to wake up in the morning, feeling tired all day, getting sick easily, hair loss, and acne that does not heal are clear signs from your body. Drinking too much coffee, alcohol, high stress, and bad sleep also lower your zinc. Remember, zinc is already a mineral that is harder for the body to absorb. If you don't fix these bad habits, your zinc levels will not go up. If you have these problems, you should eat more red meat and eggs. Zinc is very high in these foods. If you change your diet and your symptoms don't go away after 2 to 4 weeks, you should see a doctor. Yes, oats and beans also have zinc, but plant foods contain something called phytic acid. This acid makes it very hard for your body to absorb zinc. So getting zinc only from plants is usually not enough. If your diet is not enough, you can think about taking a supplement. But the best way is always to get a blood test and talk to your doctor first. So guys, let's look at the big picture. Zinc makes testosterone. Testosterone builds muscle, and muscles grow, increase your need for zinc. If you break even one part of this chain, your hard work in the gym goes to waste. If you like this video and want to learn more fitness science in a simple way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with a new topic to boost our hormones and growth. Take care and stay fit.